welcome to Fine Art Drawing Academy. Cosmic flow.
Came up from the kingdom, had to level up my stats. She holding down the galaxy, protecting all the maps. Got that cosmic velocity when we hitting hyperdrive. In her starlight orbit, yeah, I never felt so alive.
That cosmic flow. Drifting through nebulae up and down, I trace the stardust, watch the night, a celestial glow